Most people get this wrong. They assume Payday Surge USA is just another high-fee payday app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has evolved into a fast, reliable, and transparent platform for short-term cash advances and urgent payments. Here's how it works. Payday Surge USA allows users to access a portion of their earned wages or request a small cash advance. Funds are typically available within hours, which is ideal for emergencies like car repairs, medical bills, or unexpected household expenses. The app provides a clear repayment schedule, so users always know exactly what they owe and when it's due. One standout feature is its user-friendly dashboard. Payday Surge USA tracks repayment progress, upcoming obligations, and even gives basic spending insights. This helps users avoid late fees and better manage short-term finances. The downside? Frequent or careless use can become expensive. Using it for non-essential spending may lead to mounting fees. The key is to use Payday Surge USA only for urgent or planned short-term needs. Tips for responsible use: 1. Borrow only what you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders and follow the repayment schedule. 3. Monitor spending using the app's tracking tools. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need fast cash. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may face higher costs. In conclusion, Payday Surge USA in 2026 is fast, practical, and transparent, but only when used responsibly. Treat it as an emergency tool, plan repayments carefully, and track your spending. Subscribe for honest reviews and smart financial tips.